see him, I see movement, I see movement. He's moving to my 12. He's moving along. Yo, he's creeping along, he's creeping right at the back. Right at the back, right across there, right across there. He's moving along, he's out of range.
Yeah, see him.
Yeah, he's definitely out of range. Don't follow him, don't follow him. Wait, hold off, hold off.
Hold off, he's going fast.
Yeah. He's going to try and get round the back and make a, make a flank.
If we go over this way, because that's where he's going, we can see him clearly over here.
Yeah, I know. But we should stay here. Just wait for him. Who's pushing up?
To your left.
There's someone pushing up over there.
Is there only one zombie or two?
One, I think.
Or where did he go? To your left?
Coming. Got one.
Are you actually going to do anything or just hide there the entire time? What? Oh, so you are being useful. Like a ninja.
He's moving. You get him?
Yo, I see another one. I see another one. I don't think we have range. What happened to that? Oh, fuck.
Did you just shoot him where it hurts? One survivor left! Well played. Plant it and you win. That's it! Game over!
I'm going to move to the right so they've got their base on.
Sorry! This way! You're going the wrong way, girl! You're going the wrong way! Let's not let them know where we are and all that! Yeah, that's what I said. In theory, they're right across there now, aren't they? If we go right the way round, hit them from behind. Yeah, I was going to walk around. Did you see me land? Oh, yeah, I laid down there and just left all my mags there.
I had you in my scope all the time.
A lot of people did. I kept getting near this shot all the 24/7.
Don't waste the ammo.
No, this is him. Every Thursday, within 5 minutes, 2,000 BBs have disappeared. Ain't they?
I can understand that.
No, but he usually shoots himself.
Yeah, but you're going to give our position away.
Is he American?
No, he looks a bit German. Why? Yeah, after this we'll give him the two Actually no, after this we can do the all for ourselves.
Yeah.
So do it.
No,
they should have done. Slipped the radio in one of their pockets.
Yeah, that would have been funny. Ollie, do you want to go on their team? Will you give someone give him the radio?
No, because then if he's on their team, he knows our plan. I can see someone moving. Straight ahead.
He's in with us. He's in with us. Eh? No, this is our entire team.
Say, look, you don't start shooting until the rest of us start shooting, okay?
Who's the,
Glasses keep
there's one over there.
Yeah, he's the one that ain't gonna make it.
Pair up!
Shh.
Ollie, what's got you? You've grown something, yeah? Can't you come with me then if you want?
Right then, let's go. You lead the way.
See movement going towards you, Justin.
Say again.
Can see movement going towards you, Justin.
Yeah, I see movement. Zoe.
Ah, shit.
Two of them. I think we spotted. Stay still. The big one. Wait. Right. Stay there, I'm coming to you. Don't think they can... We were looking at our way a second ago.
They might not have noticed though.
Yeah. We were staying still, so they may not have noticed us at all. If you're going to move to that tree, come out this way, and then go that way. Then the tree will be in between you and them. They won't see you. Go. I'll cover you. You spotted. Retreat.
Justin, I've got three straight ahead of me.
Zoe's under fire.
Well, you're not here, sort of stuck behind these trees here at the moment.
Keep that tree between you and them. Yeah, I see ya. Zoe's in front. Zoe's in behind that tree.
I can't see they've got one here. Ollie's just hit one.
Have any of them dead yet?
Ollie just got one.
I'm pinned down.
I can't move whatsoever. They know exactly where I am and they keep shooting.
Where are they?
James has got him.
Do you know where they are?
I think he just hit one. I don't know if there's another one. If there is, he would have been shot by now. Because he just shot.
I'm going to make a run for there.
Yeah.
Can you give me some suppression? Go. No. Yeah, move up. How many left? Oh, I've got him. No idea.
There's someone there. Straight ahead.
I don't know. One over there. Behind that tree.
There's two over there now. There's one, there's a third one.
Where's the rest of us?
There.
From behind the tree there.
And they said this was going to be easy for them.
Have you shot him with his pistol yet?
No, he got out before. He shot on him.
There he is.
What's done, Justin?
Nothing. Just firing it. Dead.
Been hit. Oh, she's been hit. Use me so she won't.
What are you doing now? You actually playing?
All the thing notes, man. My gun's back at the thing in the
So you're not in the game? No?
Just running around getting hit. Why don't you put it on her?
Keep pushing him forward. Hey, I've got to cover here.
I'll keep that rifle down. Don't want that in my face, fella.
How do we get round?
That way. Well, that way then. Just step over the stick.
This would be funny. We'll get round there into the open.
You walk behind me.
What?
Walk behind me.
I plan to. James, I'm going in. You realise this is going to hurt?
Yeah.
A lot?
Yeah.
It's going to be funny though, right?
Yeah, everybody gets behind me, bud. I got my stick.
Where are they?
You've got one to the left and you've got one to the right. If you get the right one, I'll get the left one.
I got my stick.
Where on the right? I see him.
Oh, look at that! Oh, my spot!
Good night, team.
So,
Oh! Oh my
Is that
God!
needs to reload.
Cheers, man. Thanks. Here's some skin.
My butt!
I'm gonna use this.
Can you use